In figure, points A, P, B, R, C, Q on the circle. After joining them, the means these points, the given points. After joining the given points shown in the figure, it forms hexagon. It forms hexagon. Then prove that angle APB means this angle APB plus angle BRC means this angle is equal to 360 minus angle AQC. This is our to prove. Now in this example, first we write given. What is given? Points A, P, B, R, C and Q are on the circle. After joining them, we obtain hexagon. Okay, this is our given. Then to prove. What is to prove? Angle APB plus angle BRC is equal to 360 degree minus angle AQC. This is our to prove. Okay, now to prove this, we want construction. And we construct this way. Join points A and R. Join points A and R. We write here construction. What is construction? Join points A and R. We join points A and R for our convenience to prove this. Okay. Now here we write proof. Now after joining this point A and R, we obtain another two quadrilaterals. Means this hexagon APBRCQ inscribed in a circle. When we draw this segment AR, then we obtain two quadrilaterals and those are inscribed in a circle. When those are inscribed in a circle, then those quadrilaterals or single quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. And here two quadrilaterals, so we say those are cyclic quadrilaterals. Did you get it? Now quadrilateral APBR and quadrilateral AQC are inscribed in a circle, so these are cyclic quadrilaterals, and we know that. See here, quadrilateral APBR and quadrilateral AQCR are inscribed in a circle, therefore they are cyclic quadrilaterals. But we know that property of cyclic quadrilateral. Here they are cyclic quadrilaterals. Therefore, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Opposite angles are supplementary, means angle APB and this angle BRA. Opposite angles are supplementary. So we write here, therefore, in both these cyclic quadrilaterals, we write angle APB plus angle BRA is equal to supplementary, means sum is 180 degree. Angle APB plus angle BRA is equal to 180 degree. Did you get it? And same way in this cyclic quadrilateral AQCR, opposite angles means angle AQC and angle CRA. These are also opposite angles and therefore these are also supplementary. Therefore we write here angle CRA plus angle AQC is equal to 180 degree. This is equation number 2. Did you get it? Therefore, now we add equation 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. We add these equations here. Therefore, angle APB plus angle BRA plus angle CRA plus angle AQC is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree. Did you get it? Now, therefore, angle APB plus, see this, angle BRA means this angle BRA plus angle CRA means angle addition property for these two angles. From these two angles we obtain angle BRC. Did you get it? Plus angle AQC is equal to 360 degree, 180 degree plus 180 degree. Therefore, we obtain our two proof by taking angle AQC to the right side. Therefore, angle APB plus angle BRC is equal to 360 degree minus, this plus becomes minus, angle AQC. This is our two proof.